Good morning, good morning. Happy summer kit camp day 2. And today we are going to talk about the Notes of Cheer card set. So number 1, today is the first day of our kit sale. So all kits are 10 to 30% off. This kit is only like $11 and some change. So in the US. So it is such a great kit, such a great deal. It's so very cute. Love, love, love the butterflies. And what's fun about this kit, it's a non-stamping kit. So we just get to put these fun cards together. Comes in a super cute box. And we are gonna make these cards. Hey, Christina. Hey, Brenda. I know, aren't the butterflies just darling? Okay, well, let's open this baby up and see what is inside. All kinds of fun, right? So we always get some type of embellishments. So we got some bling and we have some fun envelopes. I love the scallop of these. So when you close them, they're designed inside, and when you close them, they'll have that fun scallop. And there's butterfly ones. Let's see what else. Oh, and we got some fun pink ones. So we've got pink, we've got blue, we've got butterflies. Kind of just adds that little and then some when the envelopes are decorated, right? Okay, and then we've got our card bases that we will use. We've got some fun butterfly die cuts, some more white card bases. Ooh la la, right? Are they? Look, there's some sentiments already cut out for us. And a couple of more ooh la la things. Some adhesive. And of course, our instruction sheet. So let's see what our instruction sheet says today. So there's 3 different cards that we get to make in this kit. Card number 1, a little note of cheer. Card number 2, you make life brighter. And card number 3 will be you're on my mind and in my heart. Pretty cool, right? Of course, as always, there's videos that you can click that QR code and it will share with you how to make each of these via video as well. I agree, Brenda, I agree. And gosh, for $11, such a great deal. Okay, and some change. So let's start with card number 1. Let me find all my pieces here. So we are gonna need this for our piece here. And we're gonna need one of our card bases and a you're on my mind and in my heart. This one has multiple languages, so you gotta make sure that you choose your correct language, right? Okay, and then we need our base. Let me find that. These are the white ones. And these are the pretty. Isn't that pretty, right? You don't even have to color it. It's already designed for you. So we're just gonna fold that in half. And these are no stamping kits, so they're real quick, which is fun. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put on with our dimensionals that come in here. So also in our little zip bag, we've got our bling, but we also have our dimensionals. So these are kind of foam dimensionals, and you just get to put these. So we're gonna put them on the back. And so you can always know the back side is what they show. So if it looks like this butterfly here is pictured here, that's gonna be the back side. Where this way it's the opposite, right? There's also it's probably hard to see on camera, but there is a bit of coloring that you can see on one side as well. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add these. Hey, Lori, aren't they so cute? Okay, so we're just gonna put one of these dimensionals in each of the 4 corners. And so they are kind of like a foam, you can see there, kind of a foam dot, and you just take off the backing of those. And we're just gonna center this. So step number 1 is we're gonna put those dimensionals on, and then we're going to center it and press down onto our card base. So we've got that. So now our base is done. And then we're gonna take our punched out You're on My Mind and In My Heart. There are some little dots we want to poke out. So if you have a take your pick tool, you can use that, or you can poke them out with your fingers. This is just quicker since they're so little. So we'll poke those out. So that way you have kind of see-through on those edges. I missed one. There we go. Okay, so step number 2, we are going to put 2 more of these dimensionals onto our words. Easy peasy so far, right? And then it shows, okay, put the dimensionals on, and then we're just gonna put this in the bottom left corner, kind of over our butterfly just a tad. Okay, pretty much done. And step number 3 is Tracy's favorite step, which is add some bling. So we have our bling here. These are some iridescent jewels. So we just take those, and it even shows you where to put them. So it's just gonna have us put 5 of them on there. We usually put them on in odd numbers, just so they're a little bit visually pleasing. So we're just going to use our take your pick tool here, and there's a couple different sizes, and we'll just put them right where it shows us to put them. I love our card kits. They're so easy peasy. They're so fast and fun. Even if you aren't an avid crafter, they are perfect because they have all the instructions. So easy peasy. So we're done. That's card number 1. Hi, Kathy. Welcome, welcome. Okay, let's move on. And what does it say for card number 2? I love this one. So we're gonna need 2 pieces from here. We're gonna need one of our butterfly card bases. So this is a fun base because it's shaped like a butterfly. Isn't that fun? Well, we're so glad you're here, Kathy. Welcome, welcome. Okay, and then we need our sentiment. So we're gonna punch it out from here. You make life brighter. So look, it's so easy. They're already laser die cut, so all we have to do is punch them out. There we go. So we've got our butterfly, and we're just gonna take this, and step number 1, this is only 2 steps, is to just put our dimensionals kind of in the center of the back of our strip here. So we're just gonna take some of those dimensionals, put them right in the center, pop off the backs of those, easy peasy. And we're just gonna center this here on the bottom, just like our directions say. And step number 2 is add some bling. Tracy's favorite step. Even tells us where to put them on here. But remember, there's no right or wrong. Just go with whatever looks good to you. And there we have it. Card number 2 is done. Wasn't that one fast? And then you just can write your message right on the inside. And what's cool about these is they do fit in the regular size envelope. So here's our envelope. Even though it's an odd shaped, right? It still fits right in there. Pretty cool. Okay, so card number 2 is done. I love the colors too, Brenda. They're so fun and bright. Good for summer, right? Okay, card number 3. So we're gonna need one of our white card bases that comes included. So we're just gonna fold that over. Step number 1 is gonna be to find this piece here. Ooh, I like it. It's kind of all pastel all the way around, right? Open this up. And remember, there's enough to do multiple of each card. 3 of you each card. So there's 9, enough to make 9 total cards, 3 of each. Yeah, I agree, Christina. So simple. She says she's sold and she needs more of these kits in her life. I agree. Okay, so this one, look, it's going to go right here. And we are going to add our mini glue dot adhesives. These come with it. And we're going to add these to the back. So on this one, since it's a delicate piece, you can see they have a little bit wider pieces for us to put our adhesive in those wider corners. So that is what we're going to do. If you don't have a take your pick tool, well, of course you can use the kits as is. It definitely comes in handy. So you buy it one time, I think it's $11 as well. And it is so worth it because it makes pulling off these gems and stuff a lot easier. But you can use your hands if you don't have it. Okay, so we've got those pulled off. That is one thing I really love about our kits is they make great gifts and they're great for us. You know, if you're crafting on the go or if you just don't have a lot of supplies yet because you're building your collection, the kits are great because everything really is included. Okay, then we're just going to center this onto our base here. I'm going to attach that. Okay, then we're going to find our next sentiment, which is a little note of cheer. So we'll grab one of those and just punch it out. And they really, really are simple. Kids love doing them. And so we're going to go ahead and put this on with our dimensionals. What did I do with my dimensionals? There they are. They're under my envelope. Okay, so we're going to put this one on with our dimensionals. So just kind of in the center, 3 of those. Whenever in doubt, it does tell you how many to use. You just count the little instruction circles there. So we'll peel off the backings of those. We will center this onto our card. And then there's one more piece, which is right here. I am here for you today and always. Oops, sorry. Right there. So that is this cute orange piece. So we'll make sure, and I'll find the English one here. I think there's French and there's like 4 languages. Okay, so we've got our English piece, and so this one we're going to stick on with those mini glue dots. Same thing, 3 of those. So we'll add those, peel off the backings. One more. Okay, and then we'll stick this just right in the center underneath. So we have our a little note of cheer. I'm here for you today and always. And then of course, step number 4, add some bling, right? So let's find our bling here. And same thing, shows you right where to put them, but you can use your creative juices and put them anywhere you see fit. I am following the picture here, which I love because it kind of takes the guesswork out of it, right? There we go. So now we have our 3 cards. So our little note of cheer card, you make a life brighter. I love this one. How fun is that, right? And you're on my mind and in my heart. So I think these will brighten anybody's day. You can get the kit and make them if you are in business. They make great thank you cards to your customers. They make a great gift. You know, Christmas is coming and a crafting kit is such a fun thing for kids, daughters, you know, my son even likes to stamp with us a bit. And so, you know, anybody can get involved with our great kits. So these are on sale while supplies last. I imagine this is going to be one of the ones that goes super quick, along with yesterday's birthday card kit video. So you'll want to grab those while they're on sale. I will post the link in the comments as soon as we're done. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for Summer Camp Day 3.